Welcome to Writing Foundations for Beginners. In this first lesson, we are going to define what good writing actually is. Once you understand this, every other lesson becomes easier. So, good writing isn't about sounding impressive, it's about clear ideas expressed in simple language for a specific purpose. If your reader understands your message easily, your writing is good. Most beginners try to impress the reader with long sentences or complicated words, but this usually makes the writing harder to understand. Readers don't want complexity, they want clarity. Readers care about one thing, understanding your message. When you focus on clarity instead of showing off, your writing immediately becomes stronger. So, I repeat, readers want understanding. In this course, we'll build your writing on three pillars: clarity, simplicity, and purpose. These three ideas will guide everything you write. That's it for lesson 1. In the next video, we'll start with the most important building blocks of all, the sentence. So let's continue.